Put your phone face down. Sit still. No music, no scrolling, no multitasking. Just nothing. Be honest. How long until your hand twitches? If it's under 10 minutes, you're not broken, but something did change. You sit down to work, laptop open, phone just in case. 5 minutes later, you don't even remember unlocking it. Your thumb moved before your brain did. Not because you're weak, not because you lack discipline, because your brain learned a new rule. Silence equals danger. Boredom equals escape immediately. Think about waiting in line at the bank, or stuck in traffic, or alone in a room. 10 years ago, you just wait. Now, restless, irritated, like something's missing. What's missing isn't stimulation. It's your tolerance for nothing happening. Your brain chases reward. Every ping, every scroll, every dopamine hit. Not because it's fun, because it's easy. Over time, it stops asking what matters. It asks what feels good right now. So when it's quiet, no messages, no noise, your brain panics. Quietly, it whispers, check something, anything. That's why you open apps thinking, I don't even know why I'm here. Tabs multiply like rabbits if you're not careful. But here's the real problem. Your attention wasn't lost. It was trained away from stillness. 10 minutes of nothing feels impossible, not because you can't, because you haven't in years. This isn't motivation failure or laziness or dopamine detox. It's conditioning. You were trained to dodge boredom like muscles dodge weakness. Good news? What was trained can be retrained. Actionable hacks. Rule number 1, phone geography. Your phone never lives where you work. Different room, drawer, bag, always. Rule number 2, first 10 minutes, lock. First 10 minutes you sit to work. No music, no tabs, no checking. Just you and the task. Rule number 3, one tab law. One tab open. If you open a second, close the first. Tabs multiply like rabbits if you're not careful. Training protocol. These rules build the foundation. Here's your daily training to turn them into habit. Same time, every day. 5 minutes, phone in another room. Track one thing. How long until your hand reaches for the phone? Progression example, day 1 to 20 seconds. Day 3 to 1 minute. Day 7 to 3 minutes. When 5 minutes becomes easy, add weight. 7, then 10. You will fail. Everyone does. When you touch your phone, the session ends. Reset to the last success. No guilt, no drama. Just practice. That practice unlocks something powerful. Waiting, thinking, no entertainment. That's not going backward. That's recovery. You weren't built wrong. You were trained for distraction. Now retrain. Quietly, patiently, one step at a time. If this hit home, stick around. This channel rebuilds attention like we rebuild strength. No hacks, no motivation speeches. Just rules, just practice.